Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana, and you are looking at a 2021 Heritage Edition Land Cruiser Overland build. It's set up 2 inches in the front with an OME BP-51 suspension, SPC upper control arms. We're using, of course, the Heritage standard BBS bronze wheels. We wrapped in BFG KO2 305 65 18 tires. These are spaced out 1.25 inches using a Spider Tracks wheel spacer, Cerakoted in black. We have the Slee LX570 rock sliders. They are with rock lights underneath. We have additional protections in the front. We have the Budd-built front skid plate, as well as the engine skid plate, as well as the T-case skid down there in stainless steel. We have the ZR Tactical Solutions aluminum front recovery points, soft shackle compatible, anodized in bronze to match the wheels. Additional protections on this vehicle, we have the entire vehicle wrapped in XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film. All the white paint is. We have a ceramic window tint, XPEL ceramic window tint, 35% in the front and then 85% in the rear. Additional lighting, we have the Rigid Industries 40-inch Midnight Edition single row light bar mounted in a Prinsu roof rack with the 40-inch light bar cutout wind fairing with the noise reduction trim piece. Additional lights, we have the Baja Designs amber fog light, OEM fog light replacement in the same spot, switched with the OEM fog light switch located right there. We have an Escort Max CI 360 radar detector jammer, fully integrated unit. We have sensors here as well as here in the jammer up here. We also in the rear, let's go back here, have additional sensors right down here below the rear bumper, and of course the jamming unit right here as well. We have a 12.5 gallon long range fuel tank mounted right there. Of course, with the 12.5 gallon, you can retain the factory spare. And I'll show you the inside of the filler neck. The auxiliary tank is on the left, and then the primary tank is on the right. Inside the rear, we have an Overland setup. We got a drawer system. We have the ARB Summit 11-inch drawer on the right with an ARB hydraulic jack and the ARB jack accessory base plate, factory hitch receiver, and some owner's manuals, additional tie hooks for the Prinsu roof rack inside there as well. We have a Samlex power inverter inside the drawer system right here. And a couple additional power outlets, household power outlets grounded right here with a couple extra USBs. On the left side, we have a 56-liter Snowmaster fridge freezer. Each side can be used as a fridge or a freezer. And of course, it's on a roller top. And it's an ARB half drawer with recovery points. And then last but not least, a couple additional electronics on the inside. We have a couple additional USB ports located behind the center console. There's a USB-A and a USB-C on both sides, so there's 4 additional USB ports there. And then on the inside, we also have a Navi Plus Apple CarPlay Android Auto interface. I'll walk around to the other side and show you. Give me just a second. Hold down on navigation for 2 seconds and it switches it over to the Navi Plus unit, and then Apple CarPlay if your phone was connected, which I don't have a phone connected right now because we're using it as a camera. And then also the controls for the Escort integrated radar detector jammer is right here, kind of hidden above the rear view mirror. And then the controls for that are mounted right here in between your four low all-wheel drive controls. So you have your mute, power, and volume settings, etc., marking settings, all located right here. Coincidentally, the black and gray combo of this particular unit matches almost perfectly to the car. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below of this build. Thanks for watching, and please hit thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.